a beautifully clean car, and I got a bunch of stuff in it. So I'm about to be putting it in the garage over there. So we're just going to do a quick rundown. You know, there's my ham radio. You guys probably saw that from a different video. But let's come back here and let's look at some goodies. So this is my go bag. It's literally just that. It's my go bag. We got some laser printers here. You'll see some footage of those. We have some thin gold wire. I'm going to be selling this. Look at that. That's beautiful stuff. All right, and I got a little bit of that. I got some solder. Oop, there's gold on that. All right, we're gonna leave that there like that. And then up here I have other stuff that's going to be kind of interesting, and foam packs, scales, some more gold stuff there. There's going to be videos on that. And then here's my beautiful truck that is nice and clean. And this is going to be like B-roll footage, so I don't know how much of this I'm going to actually use. This is food, so food is food. And then I got some miscellaneous tools in here, tweezers and stuff for board level repairs. Got some more gold stuff here, some almond milk that my girlfriend likes. So yeah, I got some miscellaneous cords, tripods. Over here I have some more gold, some 550 cord, soldering station. There's going to be a lot of video on this. This is soldering station stuff. These are truck parts, so there's going to be some more truck repair videos coming real soon. This I might not be using right away. This I will be. This is my laptop cord, as my laptop is right there. And yes, I am drinking a Coca-Cola. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to bang you guys. All right, so let's take a look in this office today. I need to get a table back here. I just got some electronics over here, some tools, wiring. We're gonna plug it up in here and just gotta get this space working. Just haven't had a whole lot of time. This pump might be used in the upcoming project, possibly. Anyway, so that's all I have for right now. I need to get this stuff out of my truck, and I want to go to bed. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Now it's coming down to give me a hand, and then yeah, peace. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe to this video. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of things happening. Later.